Today in this video I will talk about 5 techniques to increase positive thinking, so stay with me until the end of the video. Hello, I'm Reza and I'm happy to welcome you to my channel. Do you also feel that we need it in today's life to rise our spirits? So be with me. Practice gratitude contrary to popular belief that only size and means. There are also people who have made gratitude the by basis of their lives every day. Positive aspects of life help a lot. Don't separate yourself from the environment. Today, researchers have proven that the environment has a much greater impact on you than the will. If you fill your environment with supportive and optimistic people, you will undoubtedly see positive changes in your life automatically without the need for willpower. A better suggestion is to watch the motivational video on my channel. Taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally is essential for positive thinking. Use activities that bring your happiness, peace, and rejuvenation. Put exercise, fun, meditation, or nature tribes as your priorities. The fourth technique is to challenge negative thoughts. Find self-talk and pessimistic thinking patterns that are negatively running running your daily life and turn them into positive thoughts. I made a separate video on this topic, which you can watch if you are interested. The best technique, and of course the most difficult, is kindness. No matter how small acts of kindness can have a ripple effect and make you think positively. By doing this, you will not only help clear your thoughts, but you will also help others. Well, friends, this video is over. If you like its content, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you want. I love you. Goodbyes.